Want to learn how to turn a mini quilt into a super fun and easy pillowcase? I'm going to teach you exactly that in this video. Hi, my name is Irene from Sugaridoo, and today we're going to make a super fun and easy quilted pillow cover. No zippers involved. All you need is a big quilt block or a mini quilt, some batting and fabric for the back of your pillow. I designed this quilt block for the Quilt Now magazine. You can find the pattern in issue 66. It's a fun summer design with happy fabrics from the Good Vibes Only fabric line by Sassafras Lane. This block is 50 by 50 centimeters, that's 20 by 20 inches, which makes a perfect little pillow size. Let's get started. Are you excited about this project? Go ahead and give a thumbs up to this video. If you want to be the first to know when a new Sugaridoo video is uploaded, make sure to go and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for your support. When you have a quilt block or a mini quilt that is smaller than 50 by 50 centimeters, you want to add some strips around it to make it bigger. 50 by 50 centimeters or 20 by 20 inches is a standard size pillow that I buy at IKEA. But if you have a different size pillow laying around, feel free to adjust your mini quilt to that size, of course. The first thing we're going to do is to quilt our block. And for that I use a cotton batting. Make sure to use some batting that is not fluffy, so that it won't stick to your foot when you're quilting it, because we're not going to use a backing fabric. I think using a whole quilt sandwich, so a quilt top, batting and backing fabric, makes the pillow cover a bit too stiff. So we're only going to make a quilt sandwich with batting and our quilt block. I am using a spray basting, really my favorite type of basting. It's so quick and easy. Now my little quilt is basted, I can start quilting. And I'm going to do it with some ruler work. I'm going to use this little ruler by I Love to Quilt and my Clarity ruler foot. I'm following the diagonal lines from the blue color background. And I'm going to quilt the different pattern inside the popsicles. Did you know I wrote a free ebook with 101 ideas for straight line quilting? If you're looking for fun straight line quilting designs, make sure to check that out. The link is in the description box right below this video. When you are done quilting, you can go and square up your quilt. Now we are going to cut two pieces of 51.5 centimeters by 35 centimeters or 20.5 by 14 inches. This includes a 7.5 millimeter seam allowance and a 40 inches quarter-inch seam allowance. So there we go, two pieces. Now we're going to fold the long side of each piece twice and sew it so that we have a nice hem. Time to put our pillow together. So we have our pillow with the right side facing up, and then we take our two hemmed pieces, and this is going to go with the right side facing down on top of our little quilt, and the other piece is going to go on top of this, and then in the other direction. So line it up at the top and the bottom of your little quilt, and then we can put this in place with some pins. So this is going to be the hole through which you can insert your pillow. And now you can sew all around the outer edges. Now we only need to turn our pillowcase inside out and insert a pillow, and then we're all done. Make sure to really press the corners to get those nice and crisp corners. There we go. Ta-da! A lovely, lovely pillowcase. Let's insert pillow. There it goes. That fits really nicely. And it is all done. I love my new pillow. Let me know in the comments below what kind of quilty projects you would like to see next. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week again. Bye bye!